Show you how to do this Tunisian lace stitch on the crochet knit needle. This needle is an eye, and I did it on this type of needle, and you can buy this type of needle at like a Michael's or a Walmart. I bought mine at Walmart for like not even $3 to $4. Okay, so the stitch looks like this when you're finished, and this can make a great scarf. You can make it wider by adding more chains, which I'm going to explain next. Okay, so let's get started. So to get started, I'm going to create a slip knot onto my hook. I'm using a very soft red heart yarn. It's kind of like a very soft type of, almost like a cashmere red heart. So anyways, I'm going to slip knot onto my hook, and I'm going to do this in sets of 4. So I'm going to start with a chain 1, so 4 times for one set of 4 to get started. Well, so this pattern is done in sets of 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and now I'm going to do another set of 4 for this tutorial. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then one more set of 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I have 12 altogether, and I'm going to add 1. So it's done in sets of 4 plus 1 at the end. Then the Tunisian stitch, I'm going to do that across. If that type of stitch is new to you, then I do have a video on how to do that type of stitch. So I'm going to, in the second stitch, chain from the hook, I'm going to insert my hook. So 1, and then 2, and then insert my hook. I'm going to grab that yarn by yarning over, draw up my loop. I'm going to continue that until the very end, insert my hook, draw up my loop, and keep my loops on the hook until I get to the end. So when you're finished at the end, you should have 13 loops, or whatever your chain count loops on your hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So now that you have your loops on the hook, we're going to start to the next. And so you're going to start with a yarn over and a chain 3. So chain 1, and then chain 2 more. So you have your chain 3, and then you're going to yarn over and pull through 5 of the loops. So yarn over and pull through 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So you pull through all 5 of those loops. It's going to start creating that cluster. Then you're going to yarn over secure it with a chain 1. And then you're going to do a chain 3. So 1, 2, 3. Then you're going to yarn over and pull through 5 loops. So yarn over and pull through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Secure it with a chain 1. And then you're going to yarn over and pull in chain 3. So 1, 2, 3. Then yarn over and pull through all 5 loops on the hook. So yarn over, pull through 1, 2, that was 3, 4, and then 5. So now it looks like this for that row. And secure at the end with a chain 1. Now you're going to go back, and in that first stitch you're going to drop a loop. So insert your hook, yarn over and drop your loop. Then in the next 3 chains that you created, you're going to insert your hook and drop your loops. So insert your hook, drop the loop 1, 2, and then 3. And then you're going to go right into that cluster, insert your hook and drop your loop. And then go into the next 3 chains again. 1, 2, and then 3. And then in that cluster you're going to insert your hook and drop the loop. And then go into your next 3 chains again. 1, 2, 3. And then go into, make sure you hit that last one here. Okay, so now you should have 13 chains on your hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it looks like this for that row. Okay, now you're going to do the reverse row. Yarn over and create 3 chains. So 1, 2, and then 3. And then yarn over and pull through 5 loops. Yarn over and pull through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then secure with a chain, and then 3 chains again. 1, 2, 3, and then yarn over and pull through 5 loops. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then chain 3 again. 1, 2. Okay, make sure you secure your chain. Once you secured your cluster with a chain, then you're going to do chain 3. So 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to yarn over and pull through all loops, which are the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you just do secure it with a chain 1, and then you're going to just repeat by going back into here, insert your hook, and drop your loop, and then in the next 3 chains drop your loops, and then drop a loop into the cluster, and the next 3 chains, and the cluster, and the next 3 chains. And you're just going to repeat back and forth between those 2 rows. And if you like to stop, once you want to stop this pattern, then you'll just complete this across here, and you can stop there. You can do a chain 1, and just like so, you could do a chain 1 here, and then you could cut the yarn and pull it through, and then you can weave in your ends, or you could do a single crochet across the border on once you have like your width that you prefer. You could do it that way. Okay, so this is how you do the Tunisian lace. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I also have a new Facebook group and page because I had to start over after being hacked. So if anybody wants to join that, I have the links for that down below.